Hey, what if I tell you that there is a software that allows you to create VR scene writing no line of code? A template for real VR, the one you interact with object and not just 360 video or image as a background. Yeah, this template exists. It is JustVR. JustVR is composed by three parts: a CMS, content management system, that allows you to upload and manage the objects that will be part of the scene. Then there is the VR app for administration. In this app, you get the objects you uploaded via CMS, and walking around in the scene, you put them where you want the user find them. And finally, we have the VR app for user. User can walk around in the scene in any direction they want. They find the object that you put in the scene by the VR app for administration, and they can interact with these objects. In the basic version, the interactions are of two types. User can grab the object and move them around. User can touch the object and then open a pop-up in which there is a description. Simply text, but this text is ready for multi-language. And if enabled, there is also a button to add the current object to a list. Actually, the list is intended as a shopping cart, but it could be any kind of list, wish lists or favorites and so on. So what kind of VR scene I may create using JustVR? Well, you can create a shop or a museum or a gallery or a prototype of a room. But if you use some fantasy, you can do much more. For example, instead of going to your client with many catalogs and just some sample, imagine you upload all the products you are selling in the VR scene. Then you go to your client, you put on his head the headset, and wow, your client is in the middle of the scene with all the items around him, and he can grab, touch and see the objects you are selling at real size before he buys them. And, most important, you have all the objects you sell, not just some samples. You can use also JustVR for educational purposes. Imagine the teacher putting in the scene some objects, deselecting the gravity. So the objects are not affected by gravity. Then the users, in this case, are the students. And the students in the user app may interact with these objects, combining them or putting them together, making mathematical model or building something bigger. For example, if these objects are part of an engine, users, students, may combine this part to build the engine. So, whatever you have in mind, everything, it is a scene. And JustVR allows you to create a VR scene with writing no code. The basic version allows you to create a lot of things, but in case you need something tailored on you, we can just discuss about this and build a version customized for your needs. The link you can find description, more information, and some video as example of something you can create using JustVR. If you have any question or you need more info, just drop an email or a WhatsApp message and I'll reply you as soon as possible. Bye!